Hello, this is a video tour of 315 Duncan. We're going to be touring a beautiful 2-bedroom apartment that comes with parking and laundry, located in Noe Valley. Okay, we're at the exterior of the building. This is the entrance to the building here. You have your call box to the left. Behind these secured gates are the mailboxes for the building. You walk into this nice lobby here. To the left and to the right are access to the garage where laundry is situated as well. It is coin operated for the building. Okay, so the unit that we're going to be touring is a top floor space. It's been nicely turned over. We're going to be touring unit number 6. You have a skylight up on top, so it's nice and bright. Okay, here we are. This is the unit. Right as you walk in, there is a very large closet. There is shelving on this side, and on this side you have a bar for hanging jackets and coats. Okay, so beautiful laminate wood floors in the common areas. To the right here are the bedrooms. They're very spacious bedrooms. This one has double pane windows, very large closets. You have 2 closets here. They're both very generous in size. This goes all the way back. The bedrooms are separated by the full bathroom. You have a tub and shower combination, sink, medicine cabinet. It's a very clean unit. There is a linen closet just outside the bathroom. Second bedroom. And this one has 2 large closets as well. This is the view from this room. While you do face the front, you are located on the top level, so it is pretty quiet. This goes all the way back, and here's the second closet. Okay, now for the common space of the apartment. Nice living room. You have gas heat, double pane windows, lots of plugs. Here's a view out this space here. And the kitchen is open to the living room. You have a stainless refrigerator. There's your oven, microwave, and there you go. Okay, if you are interested in this lovely space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.